What's up, YouTube? Skunk72 coming at you from Southern California. Just doing a quick run today over to Mama's house to help some household shit that her and her husband can't do. Just thought I'd take you guys along for the ride. It's not going to be anything exciting, just a little cross-town ride. You can see on my rear-facing camera, if I move out of the way, my baby girl's back there. She wanted to go with me. Any chance to go on the bike, she'll take it. So this is actually going to be the first time having a passenger on the Saddleman step-up seat. So, probably won't have her do it on camera, but I'm going to ask her what she thought of it, and I'll put a graphic up or something to let you know whether it's a thumbs up or thumbs down for her. For those of you that don't know, I do my editing on Magix Vegas Pro 16 video software that I got last year. I actually upgraded to the Pro version for the first time, just because all the features come on it and stuff. So about a week ago, Vegas released their newest software, Vegas Pro 17, which has like 30 new features on it, and the best one that I can see, well, actually there's a couple. There's things called LUTs, which are for color grading your videos. They're presets for color grading. This one will actually allow you to save your own LUTs when you do color grading. You find something, setting that you like, it allows you to save it as your own LUT, which is kind of cool. And along with that comes some new color grading options, which, I mean, they just look badass. So along with any new features on Magix software, JustAlexHalford is doing tutorials already. He's only had it for like a week, and he's already doing tutorials showing everybody how to use all the new stuff. But I'm going to put his name across the screen right here. Those of you that are using the free editors, and if you want to stay with that, I get it, but if you want to be able to get more out of it, you got to go to one of the premium editing, and honestly, I recommend Magix Vegas Pro. That stuff is just amazing. And as far as learning it, I'm telling you, you go to JustAlexHalford's channel, he will show you everything you need to know about it. Just today, I was watching his live stream before I had to leave to go to Mama's house. He was just showing all kinds of new stuff. He had been on live for over 2 hours. And I was on there for maybe about 2.5 hours before I had to leave. Now, even just today, watching his live stream, I learned a couple new tricks that I'm gonna try with editing this video. One is how to use the outside transitions that you get from other places instead of just the way Vegas works is the internal transitions are like just kind of a drop in. You overlap the two cuts of video and you drop the transition in, and it does it automatically. In order to use the third-party transitions, you have to make it transition on its own. So you gotta do different kinds of stuff, which I learned from watching him today, as well as an easier way to do dual camera editing. Vegas software has a dual camera feature where you can edit with multiple cameras at once. I think it works on up to 4. I have issues with it. I don't know if everybody does. It might just be my computer isn't powerful enough for this kind of work, and that might be why it glitches out, but I have some issues. So one thing that he did today was showed a different way to transition between cameras, which I'm going to try that out because it looked like it was way easier. The other problem that I have when I do the multi-camera mode through my software is when one camera has different lighting than the other camera, and it won't let me color grade them separately and then mesh them together. I have to color grade the whole thing at once, and it just doesn't work out when you got different lighting. Because I mean, like right now I don't even know where the sun is. I think it's kind of behind me, so this camera's going to be getting a lot of light. The one on my chin's not going to be getting much light. So I'm going to try this new way. Hopefully that works out, but I'm going to try a couple new things today after I get finished helping Mama out. And after I'm done with that, it's time to get prepared for a nice long work week. working 48, 60, 72 hours over the next 4 days. So obviously working 72 hours in 4 days, I'm not going to be on the bike. Wish I could ride it to work. I can ride it to work at the hospital. I can't ride it to work for my EMS job. Got a bunch of stuff I have to carry with me, and on top of it, I'm not comfortable with where I would have to park my bike for the duration of my shift. Alright, so I'm all done at Mama's house, and I just started a vlog a second ago and realized that my mic was not plugged into my Tascam. So I'm glad I didn't do a bunch of vlogging and not realize it, then get home, find out I have no audio. I would have been beyond pissed off. But, so, as I was saying, my mom's neighbor already took care of the outside stuff that needed to be done, which was nice for me because it's hot and I don't want to do it. So I just took care of fixing her computer, which I have to do, it seems like, every time I go to her house. And then just put a new air conditioner vent in, or a new air conditioner filter in, so we're all good. It was all easy stuff, so no big deal. So my intentions were go to Mama's house, take care of what I needed to do, and just come home. My daughter wanted to go with me, which I mentioned earlier. She's sitting back there behind me and getting ready to leave Mom's house, and of course my daughter says, "Dad, I don't want to go home yet. I want to go ride some more," which, you know, it's pretty typical for her, my little biker daughter. She loves riding. She has for a long time. Oh, for my final thoughts, I was thinking, some of you guys that use just the basic editor like Windows Movie Maker or something like that, you can actually give Vegas Pro 17 a try. If you go to Magix.com website, get registered, you can download a month-long trial version of their brand new software with everything. I mean, all the bells and whistles are going to be on it for this 30-day trial. You can check it out. And if you happen to do that, because I know it can be hard, there's a little bit of a learning curve, the website that I was talking about, or the YouTube page I was talking about, JustAlexHalford, go download this trial, watch some JustAlexHalford videos. If you sift through, there's a lot of basic ones that are going to tell you like basic getting started stuff. Go check his site out, or check his page out, watch some of his videos, learn how to do a few things, and give it a try. You'll be, honestly, if you only use basic stuff, you'll be pretty stoked at what you're able to do with that software. So I'm going to call it quits for now. Go finish this ride with my daughter and have a nice time, then go home and watch the Dodgers play some baseball. Maybe fire up the grill and drink a couple beers. So, right upside down, shiny side up, and peace out. I'll talk to you all later.